We got a report here. Saw this on Twitter yesterday. Last night, I guess. Dr. Dre suffers brain aneurysm. That was freaky. That's terrifying, that stuff. And he's not that old. What is he, 55? Something like that? Somewhere around there. I mean, I guess aneurysm doesn't care what your age is. But anyway, yeah, he's 55. And he's been having an ongoing dispute with his wife. And they're getting divorced. And there's a lot... I'm sure it's very stressful and everything else. And then this happens. Goodness gracious. So originally a report comes out, and these things can be... Obviously, they can be deadly. And so people were concerned, rightfully so. When the thing first broke, it was just, hey, he's in intensive care. He's at the hospital. That's all it was. And then we got this update here, which he posted on Instagram. And here's the quote. Thanks to my family, friends, and fans for their interest and well wishes. I'm doing great and getting excellent care from my medical team. I will be out of the hospital and back home soon. Shout out to all the great medical professionals at Cedars. That's where he's at right now. One love. So it seemed like he's in good shape.
Yeah, he bounced back.
And so that's really positive news.
Yeah.
So far. One thing that caught my attention here is his post on Instagram. He also had the time to find a tremendous image for the caption. Like he had to tell everybody he was okay. And he had this image on deck of him at a giant mixing board, black and white.
You think it might be in the past?
The image?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's an old image.
Just like back in the studio.
Yeah, of course, it's an old image.
Yeah.
But I'm saying to have it on deck when you just suffered an aneurysm, that's some high-level game playing right there.
Amazing studio, by the way.
Unless somebody else, unless he sent the message to someone who manages his social media and they picked a cool image to go with it.
Go find something cool.
Yeah. But either way,
really prolific.
As far as Instagram photos are concerned, that's really fitting. And I even like the way he's facing away, like I'm gonna be back kind of thing. Very cool stuff. So shout out to Dr. Dre. Get well soon.